your girl KD, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm just going to be showing y'all how I make this sweet and sour chicken vegetable bowl. You can use brown rice or cauliflower rice or whatever type of rice you choose, but let's get started. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. It's not that many, so I'm keeping it plain and simple, okay? That's how this works. Cut up my chicken. Sorry for this view right here. I'm still playing with the camera and learning around, but I'm just cutting the chicken breast up into little pieces so that it cooks quicker in the kitchen, so I'm not in here all day. No one wants to be in the kitchen all day. So I'm just gonna fry that up in a pan, and I use some extra virgin olive oil, the spray in the can, of course, or you can just use butter, whatever you want to cook your chicken with. You can also season it with I use pink Himalayan salt and just a little bit of pepper. And I had some water boiling for the brown rice, and I used to boil in a bag brown rice and just stick it in the pot to let it boil. You can use the microwave as well. Just checking on the chicken. Yo, one mistake I made, y'all. I got the bag of stir-fry vegetables with the rice already in it. Wasn't paying attention, definitely my fault, but Kroger and Walmart do have like stir-fry veggies, and I'm pretty sure Aldi has some as well. So when you're either in Kroger or Walmart, look for the stir-fry veggies, and in Kroger, make sure it's the vegetables only, not with the vegetable with noodles or the vegetables with rice. But either way, that's why you see that little rice there. Alright, let's get to plating. So I usually use about 1 spoonful of brown rice, as you can see. That's probably standard for all my bowls. Just a scoop of brown rice or a scoop of cauliflower rice. And then I set the veggies on top of the rice. And again, like I said, make sure it's the stir-fry veggies and not the ones with the rice. It's usually more vegetables than this, so pretty much a cup of rice and a cup of, not even a cup, sorry, 3/4 of a cup of brown rice and 1 cup of vegetables. That's pretty much always. So what I did was I mixed some butter up here that you didn't see. Sorry about that. Ketchup and brown sugar. That's what we use that for. So you're gonna let it melt down and stir it until it starts to cook. And as you can see, it's already starting. All right, I'm gonna add my chicken back to this. Get it all mixed up and everything. Make sure the sauce gets on all of the chicken that we cut up. And you can definitely turn the heat down. You don't want to keep cooking it. Don't mind those sweet potatoes too in the pack. Okay, so we're gonna start plating. So again, like I said, it's usually 3/4 of a cup of brown rice or cauliflower rice, or a cup, and then usually a cup of vegetables as well. I try to get more vegetables in than I do starch. And then I'm just taking like maybe like a handful of the chicken and splitting it into 2. I'm promise you, these meals are like the best go-to meals for your lunch, for your dinner, for after the gym. So you don't eat anything too heavy. You want something light and something that tastes good as well. And it's not a bunch of brown sugar that I use. So I probably use about how much brown sugar do I use? Anyway, I'm pouring the remainder of the sweet and sour sauce that we made over the chicken and the vegetables, and it gets on all the rice and this ooey gooeyness. It is absolutely amazing. Absolutely takes no time in the kitchen, and it'll last up to 5 to 7 days in the refrigerator. So, I hope you all like it. I'm just topping it off with some parsley because I'm such a. It has to look good from all angles, but here it is. It is sweet and sour chicken over vegetables and rice. And again, you can use cauliflower rice, brown rice, white rice, whatever rice that you choose to use. You can also do this over noodles as well, like zucchini noodles, butternut squash noodles, whatever your heart desires. But here it is. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Leave me any type of suggestions or comments about what you would like to see me make. And yeah, hope you all have a great day, night, wherever you are. Love you all. Bye.